Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how pages work. Click on Pages in the App Designer to edit the content of your app. Your app consists of individual content modules, the so-called pages. There are a lot of different types of them. Think of pages as areas of your app that you can navigate to using the tab bar or the side menu. In the left area you can see all the pages that make up your app. Once you have selected a page, its contents and configurations are displayed in the middle. The app preview is shown in the right-hand area so that you can see your changes directly. All changes you make to your pages are automatically included in this preview. Now let's create a new page as a test. To do this, click on the Create button. In the Open dialog you select a page type. Each type has different functionalities and was designed for a specific use case. All types are grouped by categories so that you can keep track of things. Therefore you see the categories, Content, Business, or Contact, here. With the help of the search field above you can quickly find the type of page you need. First, let's add a new content page. As you can see, a new page has been added and selected directly. So you have the opportunity to label it immediately. To change the page icon, click here and select one. Let's also adjust the welcome text. As you can see in the preview, your page has also been created, renamed and marked with the selected icon. If you want to adjust the order of your pages, you can easily do this with drag and drop. To permanently delete a page, use the displayed delete button. In the following tutorials I will explain the individual page types to you in detail. That's it. Have fun and see you next time.